Go easy, unveiled, mastering English phrases. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, go easy. Have you ever heard someone use it and wondered exactly what they meant? Let's break it down together. Go easy is made up of two words. Go, which typically means to move or proceed. Easy, which means with no difficulty or effort. However, when combined into the phrase, go easy, it doesn't mean to literally move in an effortless manner. Instead, it carries a more figurative meaning. In everyday conversation, go easy is used to ask someone to be gentle, lenient, or not too harsh. Here are some examples. 1. Go easy on him. This could mean not to judge someone too harshly or to be understanding about a mistake they've made. 2. Can you go easy on the spices? Here, someone might be asking for less spice in their food. 3. I just started learning, so go easy on me. A request to be patient and not expect too much from the speaker. It's crucial to understand the context in which go easy is used, as the meaning can shift slightly depending on the situation. In a sports context, go easy might mean not to play too aggressively. In a classroom, a student might ask a teacher to go easy when grading, hoping for leniency. At a party, if someone says, go easy on the drinks, they might be advising moderation in alcohol consumption. Language is ever evolving, and there are a few variations of go easy that you might hear. Some of them include, take it easy. This can mean to relax or not to stress about something. Easy does it. This is often used to advise caution or to proceed slowly. Go easy is a versatile and widely used phrase in English that conveys leniency, gentleness, or caution, depending on the context. We hope this video has helped you understand its nuances and how to use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use it when appropriate. Until next time, happy learning!